Alright. Alright, so in this video I'm going to do something kind of fun. It's kind of wet out. I don't feel like crawling under the thing and getting all muddy and dirty. So I'm going to put some, I've got these lights off of something. I know they work. They're 12 volt. I'll wire them up under here, I guess, or something, and do like a Thanksgiving wiring special on, you know, lights for the abandoned backhoe Thanksgiving wiring special. So we'll do that because I don't feel like getting all dirty and stuff. All right, let's get started.
By the way, I saw Mom getting on her shoes in the kitchen, so you better hurry up and get those before she catches you.
Mom's coming out here? Quick. My mom's coming out here. She's going to think we aren't doing anything. Here. Let's get dirty.
Hey, Mike.
Yes, dear. Just working really hard on this abandoned backhoe lights, you know. How are you?
I'm good. You look so wet and dirty. Is it cold out here?
Yeah, it's a little cold. I'm just working really hard on this abandoned backhoe lights. All right, that's all a joke, guys. Let's get started.
That's terrible.
Quick, grab a wrench. Quick, grab a socket. That was a wrench. Quick, grab a hose. Fixing to hit that camera.
Hey, let's do it again, can we? You can cut and edit this all right?
Yeah. Oh man, I lost my socket. Yeah, I'll cut and edit it to do it good. Alright, go ahead. So that's what we're doing. We're putting lights on the abandoned backhoe for the Thanksgiving special. Let's go, Kellen. Come on. Got to get my actors in place.
By the way, Mom's coming out, so you better hurry up and get working before she catches you.
What? Mom's coming. She's going to think we're all clean and not doing anything out here. Quick! Get dirty!
Hey, Mike.
Oh, yes, dear. I didn't see you there.
What are you doing?
I'm, you know, working really hard.
I can tell. My goodness.
So I'm working really hard on my backhoe. Man, now my foot's all wet. That wasn't such a good idea. Alright, well, let's get to work. This video won't be so useful. It's just kind of me messing around, putting some lights on. Enjoy. Alright, let's test these lights to make sure they work. I don't know if it matters, positive and negative. Yeah, that's green. So we got a green light. Wait. All right, so we got a green light there. This is positive. I'll cut the positive end off so I know. And we got this one. The black stripe's negative, just for my reference. That one's green too. Huh. This one's opposite. I'll cut the positive off on this one too, so I know. Okay, let's mount these things. Should I put them there? No, I think I'll put them here, under the wheel well. Maybe just put a screw, a self-tapper. Grab some stuff. I can pull that off. I don't think I should have done that. How do I mount that? Yeah. There's really no way to mount these. Let's do this. Let's get a little piece of angle or something, tack weld it in, and then we'll drill some holes in it and zip tie this to it. It's kind of more work than I wanted to do, but yeah, that might work. Yeah, that'll work good. This one I did a little different. I put a little tack weld so I can put it up there and not have to worry about trying to bridge that gap to get a zip tie. Can you see that? I'm going to go right there. Let's call that good. All right, well, it's raining and it's a little chilly. But I want to get this done. Here's my wiring. Yeah, I know. I've got a leak in these hoses somewhere. These are the supply and return line for the power steering pump. That's my new pump I put on. See if I can get these run. Alright, I'm fixing to have to call it. It's getting too wet. I don't mind getting a little wet, but man. Let me put this hose on. It's got a cap on the other end, then we'll go inside. Okay. Hopefully they're long enough. We ain't gonna find out tonight. Let's go inside, guys. It's raining. Look at this. Out here working hard for you guys. I knew I was gonna get muddy and wet, so I went ahead and jumped in and made it entertaining. All right, let's put our stuff up and get out of here.